our super cute apartment in Madrid, and this is the hallway as we enter the apartment. And first we are going to go into the bathroom. We'll see if we can all fit in there. And this is the cute little bathroom. I had visions of taking a bath, but it's like a little mini tub, so it doesn't quite work. But I did soak my feet in there at night, which helped. And kitchen, which is fantastic. Everything that we need. Washing machine, microwave, stove, oven, and yeah, great, awesome bathroom. And moving on to the living room area, which is gigantic. We have these beautiful windows looking out onto the street. And we have this comfy couch. So sometimes, you know, if one of us is suffering from jet lag, we would sort of lounge on the couch or just hang out here while the other person was up in the bedroom. And this is the table where probably we spend the most time on our various devices, and we also eat meals occasionally here too. If you want to get some work done, there's actually a desk. We haven't really used it, but really lovely. And then another set of windows. And now we're going to head up to the bedroom area. So you take these stairs, and Phil is going to make the treacherous trip up the stairs. I would not recommend this for anybody with limited mobility. And this kind of reminds me of being John Malkovich because I guess it's about 5 feet high. I haven't bumped my head on it. Phil has once, I think. Twice? Once? Anyways, despite the fact that you can't really stand up, it's very comfortable. And here's the bed area. And we haven't needed it, but there's also tons of storage space in here, which we haven't used, but it's nice to know that it's there. Anyways, that concludes our tour. Beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the sun waiting for me. We were his kids when we fell in love. Don't know what it was. I will not give you up this time. Tabacalera. Again, please forgive my terrible, terrible pronunciation. This is an old tobacco factory that has been repurposed into an art installation, and it's really, really interesting. I love it when spaces are converted like this. Anyways, it's definitely worth visiting, and it was free, so even better, but cool place.